guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you're doing well. So I'm currently in Montenegro. I don't even know if I've ended the other vlogs. I've lost all my brain cells. Like, we've just had a 26-hour train journey from Ljubljana. We're basically just in a cafe near the station because we're gonna get our taxi soon, but when like our Airbnb is not, like, we can't check until 2.
We got on the train yesterday at 8 in the morning and we got off the train today at 11 in the morning. And we're in a cafe and it's raining and we don't really know how we're going to get to the Airbnb, but
which is about 25 minutes away
by car. It's a 6-hour walk if you're feeling that one.
Rain, you know. DB all over again. Oh my god, we actually made it. We made it. We actually made it.
Way too long. What was the taxi company called? Because shout out to them, they were amazing.
They were really good.
You paid for off because we had no cash.
That was really stupid of us. But we like got our cards out. We were like, we don't take card, and we were like, oh. So we all looked in our wallet. Like, we all knew that none of us had any cash, and we were like searching through our bags anyway.
Okay, we got there. All these random people asking to get in their taxi.
Taxi.
And
when we told them no, they just stand next to us and follow us.
I got the flag.
And then wiped it on me.
No, it's still on my hand.
Went to the cafe. We were just sitting there for 3 hours. Train journey was very, very long. Like,
and we didn't really help ourselves by going on a bar
crawl. She rang the taxi and he was like, oh, 5 minutes. So we're like, okay, let's pack up. Phones, like, mine was on 40%, Isabel's was on 1%, 3%, yeah. Amy's was on like 10. We asked the guy where the nearest cash machine was.
And he was like, it was like half a kilometre down the road. So I was like, okay, fine, I'll just walk. But he literally just went like that way. And I was like, okay. Like, and also I had no idea where I was going because he just went, there's a cash machine down there. So I saw like a tourist office thing on the way and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna go in there and ask them. Luckily she was like, it's like an orange supermarket, it's down the road, there'll be one in there. I would have no idea if she hadn't told me that, but anyway. So I like ran to this supermarket. I get there, the cash machine's not working. And I'm like, oh, I went and queued up at the till and I was like, she spoke English luckily and I was like, can I get some cash? Like from the till, because you can do that normally in England, you can get cash back. And she was like, no. Okay. She was like, but there's gonna be a cash machine at like the next door supermarket. And bearing in mind, next door is still probably like 5 minutes to be able to get to the next one. So I sort of ran to the next one, went inside. There were 2 cash machines. Both were out of order. So all 3 of these cash machines were out of order, and I was like, oh god, because we couldn't really do anything if we didn't have any cash.
Meanwhile, the taxi had been waiting.
So we called the taxi like half an hour ago.
And he'll pay for our like...
I didn't have any like text or anything because I have a safety buffer on my phone. I had 1 text to send to Amy, which was that it was broken and that like that the cash machine was broken. That was all I could say.
And we kept trying to text her saying, oh yeah, we're coming to find you, because we don't want her to go all the way back to the restaurant and not be on the road and not find each other.
I queued up at another till because I saw someone in front of me get cash back, and I was like, okay, perfect. Just my luck is that the till that I queued up at took forever, and then they had to re-scan the like 4 massive bags of shopping, and I was like, oh my gosh. Then I got a text from Amy saying, we're coming to find you in the taxi, and I was like, she has no idea where I am. Luckily, at the same time, we like, arrived at the first.
So we're making our dinner. We're making eggs on...
That's probably done.
Which we've probably done like every other night. lucky. We're just walking back because, you know what, we're being quite careful. After all the chaos we've had, I think we just need to make sure what we're doing is right. We've had enough. This is awesome. I'm just here cooking. We're making like halloumi and like a burger and stuff. We put the kettle on. We've also put that on to like do our... No, it wasn't. It was multiple. We were going to put onions in there. We were toasting our bread. The part of the kettle was melted off the stove.
The fridge has stopped working. And it's like 30 degrees. Lovely. We're eating raw onions because that's the only food we have like available.
My halloumi. I don't know if I
can what happens. Basically, so Prisha was over here,
like literally,
like here cooking, and the kettle was here. And what happened was, the wire from the kettle had like melted through
on the stove.
Onto the stove.
Both were on.
Yeah. And so it like a massive like flame. What is that? Was like sparks and flames, like the Milan Underground and this.
Yeah, this is it. And imagine, I would never have expected it. So I'm just here cooking my bread. Like I'm excited for my halloumi. Suddenly, I'm not kidding. I've not even seen sparks this big because it was a whole stove with the kettle and the plug being like down.
And the plug short circuited, and then the kettle so it was like a big like obviously surge of electricity. Yeah. And imagine we had the Wi-Fi plugged into that, the fridge plugged into, like everything was plugged into this one plug.
Then suddenly the fridge is now normal. I don't know what's gonna happen.
I love how our priority was we need to get the Wi-Fi plug back in.
Yeah, literally. And like it was so scary because it's like we didn't know what we're gonna do. Like oh yeah, can I explain the fact? I'm screaming. I can just see both of them like looking at me. I'm like, guys, can you help? They both went back onto their phones, and then I was like, you need to help me. Like this is bad.
Here's the thing. I thought it was just like, you know when you're like cooking with something and sometimes a little bit of sparks fly. Like I was trying to spell Colosseum and it's a really difficult word to spell.
We got my multi-plug adapter. This is also really dodgy. I don't know why like we're doing this. Wi-Fi, my multi-plug adapter to put random stuff. Kitchen and stove. Fridge ain't working, so I don't know what we're gonna do, but it's alright. It's fine. At least I got my halloumi, so I'm very, very happy right now. Walking to the beach, but we're walking to the one that's closest to us today.
It's like
so a dad and a son were just playing with the ball and they kept throwing it at us just by accident. So we were like, they were like, do you want to join us? But in French, and we were like, oui. They knew how to say Isabel's name. They kept saying Isabel. They called me India. Just like they were like India.
They were like, where are you from? She's from India. And they were like, oh, India.
They just called me that, and then they just called. What did they call you?
Emma.
We communicated really well. Miss Gofo, you should be proud of me.
Like
you didn't help
the
me.
A and the B in French.
Yeah,
got us through.
Literally. So it is 3:15 in the morning. We've actually had a massive cleanup. So we're on the train. No, we're not. We're on a bus.